Hi friends, in this class we are going to discuss about a new chapter, that is linear equations in one variable. I think you are familiar with simple equations in your lower classes. For example, I will give you a statement and you have to frame an equation. The statement is this: if 5 is added to 2 times a number, we get 9. What is the question? If 5 is added to 2 times a number x, 2 times a number x means 2x. If 5 is added to 2 times a number means 2x plus 5, we get 9. You see, it's a simple equation. It is in one variable. What do you mean by variable? X is called variable here. How many variables are there? There is only one variable. That's why it is called linear equations in one variable. This variable can be x, y, z, p, q, r, a, b, z, anything. Okay. Now why it is called linear? Linear means you look at the degree of x. It is x raised to 1. See, x raised to 1 is written as x itself. Now what is x raised to 2? Here degree is 2. It is not a linear equation. For a linear equation, the power or the degree of x, that will be always 1. You see, here it is 2x raised to 1. So the degree is 1. So it is a linear equation. In one variable, that means there is only one variable, x only here, isn't it? Now I will give you one more statement. Please try to form an equation. If 4 is subtracted from 3/4 of a number x, 3/4 of a number x means 3 by 4 into x, we get 5. Now it forms an equation. If 4 is subtracted from 3/4 of a number x, we get 5. So it's a linear equation in one variable. If you want, instead of x, you can write y, z, a, b, c, p, q, r, s, anything. So these are some examples of linear equations in one variable. Now how can you find the solution of these linear equations? Let us solve the first one. The first one let us solve. How can you find the value of x from the first equation? Why it is called an equation? It has two sides, LHS and RHS. LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. These two sides are equal. That is represented by the equality sign. Okay. Now how can you find the value of x here? What you have to do? The first method is you have to eliminate plus 5 from here. To eliminate plus 5, what you have to do? Yes, you have to subtract 5 on both sides. So here you subtract, here you subtract. So when you subtract, what happens? 5 get cancelled. Now it becomes 2x is equal to 9 minus 5, that is 4. Now how can you remove this 2 from this LHS? Yes, you have to divide by 2. If you divide here by 2, here also you have to divide by 2. Now 2 get cancelled. What is the value of x? 4 by 2. 4 by 2 means 2. So the solution of this equation, the first equation, is 2. You see, you substitute 2 for x. LHS becomes 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. RHS is also 9. So it is balanced. So the solution is 2. Now how can you find the solution of the second equation? What do you have to do? What do you have to do? It is 3x by 4 minus 4 is equal to 5. What is the first step? Here it is minus 4 we have. So what do we have to do? First step is we have to remove this minus 4 from LHS. To remove minus 4, we have to add plus 4. So here also you have to add plus 4. So what happens? 4 minus 4, it get cancelled. Clear? Okay. Now what is remaining? Yes. 3x by 4 is equal to 5 plus 4, that is 9 is remaining. Now what is the next step? Next step, if you want, you can remove 4. How can you remove 4 from here? Yes, to remove 4, you multiply by 4. So here also you have to multiply by 4. So 4 get cancelled. Now what is remaining? Yes, 3x is equal to 9 4s are 36. Now you have to remove 3. How can I remove 3? Yes, you can remove 3 by dividing 3 on both sides. So 3 get cancelled. X is equal to, what is 36 by 3? That is 12. So what is the value of x? Value of x is 12. Now you substitute in the equation 12. What you will be getting? 12 into 3, 36. 36 by 4, 9. 9 minus 4. So the solution is 12. Now is there any other easy method to find the value of x from here? Yes, of course. You have no need to do this method. Some more easy method is there. The first equation is 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. Let us solve the first one. So what is the next step? Take plus 5 to the other side. So it becomes 2x is equal to 9. When plus 5, when is taken to other side, it becomes minus 5. That is 2x is equal to 9 minus 5, that is 4. Now what is x, children? You see, here 2 is multiplied. So here when it is taken to the other side, it should be divided. So it becomes 4 by 2. That is 2 is the answer. You see, here also we have 2. So if it is addition, when it is taken to the other side, it becomes subtraction. If it is multiplication, it becomes division. Now let us solve the second one. The second one, how can you solve this? Second one is, this is the second one. How can you solve? First step, take minus 4 to the other side. So it becomes 3x by 4 is equal to 5. Minus 4, when it is taken to the other side, it becomes plus 4. Now it becomes 3x by 4 is equal to 9. Am I right? Yes. Now what we have to do, the next step? You see, here 9 is divided. So when it is taken to the other side, it becomes multiplication. Here 3 is multiplied with x. So when 3 is taken to the other side, it becomes divided by. It becomes division. Is it clear? So how can you find x from here? Tell me. X is equal to 9 into 4. Do you understand why? Because 4 is divided here. When it is taken to the other side, it becomes into 4. 3 is multiplied here. When it is taken to the other side, it becomes divided by. So what is the answer? 9 3s, they get cancelled 3 times. 3 4s are 12. You see, in few steps, we got the answer. This is how we have to solve the linear equations. Now let us see how to solve linear equations having variables on both sides. Let us take some examples and let us solve. Here we have taken 4 problems. You look at all these linear equations, x on both sides. Here also we have x on both sides, x on both sides. Here we have y on both sides. So in all these 4 equations, we have variables on both sides. So far we have seen how to solve linear equation that has a variable on one side only. You see equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now these have variables on both sides. Now how can we solve this? Let us solve some examples. The first step, you see, here you have 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. So the first step is you have to take all the variables to one side, to LHS. So the first step is 2x minus 1. When minus x is taken to the left side, minus x becomes plus x is equal to 14. I think it is clear. Take variables to the left side. At the same time, take the number. Here there is, we have one minus 1. That we have to take to the right side. Now it becomes, can you tell me what is 2x plus x? 2x plus x is 3x. That is equal to 14. When you take minus 1 to the other side, it becomes plus 1. That is 3x is equal to 15. 3x is equal to 15. Now what is x? How can you find the value of x from here? X is equal to, it is 3 is multiplied. So when 3 is taken to the other side, it becomes divided by. So x is equal to 15 divided by 3. That is 5 3s are 15. So the value of x is 5. You substitute here 5. 2 into 5, 10. 10 minus 1, 9. LHS is 9. Look at RHS. RHS 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is also 9. So LHS is equal to RHS. That is, x is equal to 5 is the solution of this linear equation. Now similarly, let us solve the second one. LHS we have 8x plus 4 is equal to, can you take x to left side? No, because 3 into x minus 1, that is this expression. So what do we have to do? We have to multiply, we have to remove the bracket first. For that, we should multiply 3 into x. We will be getting 3x minus 3 into 1, 3 plus 7. So we removed the bracket. Now what we have to do? Take x variable that to one side, numbers to the other side. So let us take x to this side. So it becomes 8x you keep here. Take 3x to left side. So it becomes minus 3x because it is plus 3x. When it is taken to the left side, it becomes minus 3x. That is equal to, on RHS what we have? We have minus 3 plus 7. Now this plus 4 we have to take to the other side. So plus 4 becomes minus 4. Now what is 8x minus 3x? From 8x we have, if we subtract 3x, what is the answer? Yes, that is 5x. You see children, see x you can consider as a mango. So from 8 mangoes, if you subtract 3 mangoes, you will be getting 5 mangoes. That's all. Okay. So 8x minus 3x is 5x. That is equal to, you see, how will you solve these? Plus numbers, integers you have to add first. So there is only plus 7. Negative integers you should add. Minus 3 minus 4, that is minus 7. What is 7 minus 7? 0. So 5x is equal to, so what do you get? You get 5x is equal to 0. Then what is x? X is equal to 0 by 5. That is equal to 0. So the value of x is 0. Let us substitute on LHS. If you substitute on LHS, 8 into 0, 0. Plus 4, that is 4. LHS you got 4. Let us substitute 0 for x on RHS. So what is 0 minus 1? 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 3. Yes, minus 3. Plus 7. What is 7 minus 3? 4. That is LHS is equal to RHS. That is x is equal to 0 is the solution of this equation. Now let us solve the third one. X is equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. You cannot take x to this side. Why? Because it is in the bracket. So we have to open the bracket. Here we directly multiply it. 3x minus 3 into 1, 3. Okay. But here, it will be, you can multiply, but it will be very difficult to solve this equation if you multiply x by 4 by 5 and if you multiply 10 by 4 by 5. So it is better, you see here 5 is divided. So this 5 can be taken to LHS. So division becomes multiplication. So here it becomes 5 into x. What is that 5 into x? It becomes 5x is equal to. Now what is remaining here? Only 4. That 4 can be multiplied inside. So 4 into x, 4x plus 4 into 10, 40. You see, now you can take x to the one side. So it becomes 5x. 4x when it is taken to the left side, it becomes minus 4x is equal to 40. What is 5x minus 4x? 5 mangoes minus 4 mangoes, 1 mango. That is x is equal to 40. 1x is equal to 40 means x is also is equal to 40. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 40. Let us check whether it is right. On LHS, what we have? 40. RHS we have to check. RHS is 4 by 5 into x plus 10. What is x? X is 40. So 40 plus 10, 50. 5, 50 cancel. How many times? 10 times. Because 10 5s are 50. Now 10 into 4? Yes, 40. So RHS is 40. LHS is also 40. So x is equal to 40 is the solution of this linear equation. I think it is clear. Now let us solve the last one, the fourth one. I think few problems are there in your NCERT exercises. Okay, first exercise I think. Now let us solve the fourth one. 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. Y is the variable. So what is the first step? Take all the y's to one side. So it becomes 2y you keep here. Minus y when it is taken to the left side, it becomes plus y is equal to here what we have 26 by 3 as it is. Now plus 5 by 3 when it is taken to the other side, it becomes minus 5 by 3. Isn't it? What is 2y plus y? 3y is equal to, you see denominator is same. So you can write only once. Now 26 minus 5, that is 21. Isn't it? So what is the answer? The answer is 21 by 3. When you divide, you will be getting 7. So you get 3y is equal to 7. 3y is equal to 7. Then what will be y, children? 3y is equal to 7. So y will be 7 by 3 because 3 is multiplied. It becomes division. So y is equal to, yes, y is equal to 7 by 3. That is the solution. Now we have to check whether it is right or wrong. Let us check it. Let us find what is LHS. What is LHS? LHS is equal to 2y. What is y? Y is 7 by 3. So instead of y, you have to substitute 7 by 3. So it becomes 2 into 7 by 3, yes, plus 5 by 3. Let us find it out. 2 7s are 14 by 3 plus 5 by 3. 3 is common, denominator is same. So you can add or subtract the numerators. Okay. So 14 plus 5, 19. So LHS is 19 by 3. Now let us take the RHS. Yes, what is RHS? RHS is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. What is y? Y is 7 by 3. 3 is same. 26 minus 7, that is 19. So you see LHS is equal to RHS. So what is the solution? 7 by 3 is the solution of this fourth equation. Now you are given some equations here. 3 equations are given. But these equations are not in the linear form. You see, 4x plus 8 divided by 5x plus 8, isn't it? Here also z is the variable. Z divided by z plus 15. Here 7y plus 4 divided by y plus 2. You see, so it is not in a linear equation form. But this can be reduced to linear equation, or this can be converted into linear equation, and then what we can do? We can find the solution, or we can find the value of x, z and y in these 3 equations. Now let us see how to solve these type of equations. When you are given these type of equations, here you can just cross multiply. Cross multiply means the numerator should be multiplied by the denominator of RHS, and here the numerator should be multiplied by the denominator of the LHS. So that is called cross multiplication. So these two should be multiplied and these two should be multiplied. So what you will be getting? You will be getting 4x plus 8 into 6. It is wrong. Why? Because if you put into 6 like this 6 is multiplied only with 8. That is wrong. This 6 should be multiplied with the numerator. So always you should keep the bracket. Okay. That is equal to 5 into 5x plus 8. Is it right, children? It's wrong. You should put the bracket here. So 5 should be multiplied by 5x plus 8 together. Okay. Now what is the next step? You know what's the next step? 6 into 4x. Because the next step is you have to bring all the x variable to one side and all other numbers to the other side. But here, since one bracket exists, what we have to do? We have to remove the bracket. We have to open the bracket. So what do you have to do? Yes, 6 should be multiplied by 4x. What is the answer? 6 into 4x, 6 4s are 24x. Plus 6 into 8, 8 6 are 48. That is equal to 5 into, here also you have to open the bracket. 5 into 5x, 5 5s are 25x. Plus 5 into 8, that is 40. Now you know what to do. Take 25x to left side, 48 to right side. Okay. So it becomes 24x, take 25x to this side. So it becomes minus 25x. That is equal to, on RHS we have 40. It is plus 48. When it is taken to the other side, it becomes minus 48. Now what is 24x minus 25x? Yes, it is minus 1x is equal to, what is 40 minus 48? From the greater number, subtract the smaller number and put the symbol of the greater number. You know that. So minus 1x is equal to minus 8. Now can you tell me what is x? X is equal to minus 8 divided by minus 1. That is 8. So the solution or the value of x is 8. Now let us check whether the 8 is the solution of this equation. So what we have to do? Yes, let us find what is the answer we get when we solve the LHS. LHS is equal to 4 into x. What is x? X is 8. So 4 into 8, 4 8s are 32 plus 8 divided by 5x. 5 into 8, 40 plus 8, that is equal to 32 plus 8, that is 40. Divided by 40 plus 8, 48. So 40 by 48, that is the LHS. You see here what is common? 8 is common. So you can divide throughout by 8. So 40 by 8, 5. 48 by 8, 6. So LHS is equal to 5 by 6. Is it clear? RHS is what? That is also 5 by 6. So we get LHS is equal to what? RHS, because both are equal. So that is the solution. That is true. Now let us solve the second one. Z by Z plus 15 is equal to 4 by 9. So what we have to do? Yes, we have to cross multiply. So 9 into Z, 9Z is equal to 4 into Z plus 15. That you should write as 4 into, you should put the bracket. 4, if there is only one number, you can direct multiply. Here, since here two terms, what we have to do? 4 into, you have to put the bracket. 4 into Z plus 15. That is 9Z is equal to, open the bracket, 4 into Z, 4Z, plus 4 into 15, that is 60. Now you know what you have to do. Take Z, the variable, to one side. So it becomes 9Z. Take 4Z to left side. So it becomes minus 4Z is equal to 60. What is 9Z minus 4Z? 9 mangoes minus 4 mangoes, 5 mangoes. 5Z is equal to 60. Now what is Z, children? Z is equal to 60 divided by 5, because it is multiplication. 5 is multiplied, should be divided. 60 by 5, that is 12. So the value of Z is equal to 12. So let us check whether the answer is right. Let us find what is LHS. LHS is Z, that is 12, divided by Z plus 15. 12 plus 15, that is 27. Isn't it? That is equal to, you see, you can divide throughout by 3. 4 3s are 12, 9 3s are 27. You see, LHS you got 4 by 9, RHS is also what? 4 by 9. So we conclude our answer is right. 12 is the solution. I think it is clear. Let us solve one more. Now what we have to do here? Yes, we have to cross multiply. Then what you will be getting? 7y plus 4 into 3. This is called cross multiplication. Okay. 7y plus 4 into 3 is equal to minus 4 into y plus 2. Now what is 3 into 7y? 3 7s are 21y. Plus 4 3s are 12 is equal to minus 4 into y, minus 4y. You see, what is minus into plus? Minus. 4 into 2, 8. So minus 4 into plus 2, that is minus 8. Now what is next step? Take the variable to one side, numbers to the other side. So it becomes 21y. Take minus y to left side. So it becomes plus 4y. Isn't it? Minus 4y becomes plus 4y. That is equal to minus 8. Take plus 12 to the other side. It becomes minus 12. What is 21y plus 4y? That is 25y is equal to. What is minus 8 minus 12? What is 8 plus 12? 20. What is minus 8 minus 12? Minus 20. Now what is y from here? Y is equal to minus 20 divided by 25. You can divide throughout by 5. So what is the answer? Here we will be getting 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So the value of y is minus 4 by 5. Now let us check whether it is right. Yes, let us find what is LHS here. What is LHS? 7y, that is 7 into, what is y, children? Minus 4 by 5. Plus 4 divided by y, that is minus 4 by 5. Plus 2, that is equal to 7 into minus 4, minus 28 by 5, plus 4 divided by, what do you have to do here? Yes, you find the LCM. What is LCM? LCM is 1, or you just cross multiply. Minus 4 into 1, minus 4. 2 into 5, 10 divided by 5 into 1, 5. That is equal to, here also you find the LCM. So what you will be getting? 1 into minus 28, or you cross multiply. 1 into minus 28, that is minus 28, plus 5 into 4, 20 divided by 5 into 1, 5, all divided by 10 minus 4, 6 by 5. That is equal to, what is minus 28 plus 20? Minus 8 divided by 5. You see, this number, this rational number is divided by another rational number. So division, what you can do? You can multiply. What is the condition? Take the reciprocal and multiply. So it becomes 5 by 6. The reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. So what is the answer? 5 get cancelled. What is remaining? Minus 8 by 6. Minus 8 by 6, what is common? 2 is common. So you can divide throughout by 2. So you will be getting minus 4, because minus 4 into 2 minus 8. 3 into 2, 6. So minus 4 by 3. You see what is RHS? RHS is also minus 4 by 3. So this is the correct answer. Or we say that y is equal to minus 4 by 5 is the solution of this equation. Now this has many applications and we will solve